Hi, I'm Beth Gonzalez. You might have me listed as Beth Meyer underneath your items for school, but they keep making a little problem with my name. So anyway, I'm your instructor for ARC 141 AutoCAD, which we'll be using in architectural technology. I am really excited to get this chance to try to teach you. I'm a little excited, nervous about doing it online, but I think we can do it. It'll be a team effort and all this. Just so you know, I do juggle some other jobs as well. So I have designated Tuesday and Thursday afternoons specifically to be here to help you with any questions you have. But I am very available for anybody who wants to make an appointment with me, and we can do one-on-one on the webcam, or I can text you, or we can email. It all works for me. So if you have a specific problem, let me know. My job is to make sure you're really good by the time we're done, and hopefully I can make you great by the end of this semester. I've been doing CAD right now for 19 years, so I really love it, and hopefully I can give you the same passion too. Thank you. I look forward to meeting you. Bye.